This video, guys, in this video we're going to learn about append file. Okay, so the functionality of the append file is, if the file is not existed, it will create the new file. Okay, if file is already existed, then it will append the data to the already existing data. Okay, it will not replace like write operation. Okay, this is the functionality of append file. Let's see how it works. Let me delete this file, example.txt. Now see, there is no example.txt in sample data. Okay, let me run this one. See, now example.txt is created. Okay, see here, the asynchronous operation data will be printed first, and then synchronous data operation data will be printed next. Let's see, new data is appending. This is the asynchronous operation code. This is synchronous operation code. This is asynchronous operation code. Okay, I have given a slash n, that is for a new line. So the file is not there, so append function will create the file. Let's suppose say now file is there. Let me run again. Now see the file. So it will not replace the data, guys. It just appended the new data to the file. This is how append function will work. Okay, but we have seen now read, write, append, delete these functionalities. But in real time, okay, but in real time, we will use these functionalities using the promises, guys. Okay, so there is a promises version, also promises based API for the FS module. Okay, which will give, you know, asynchronous operations like synchronous way we can handle. You see, using the async await, we can make the asynchronous operation as synchronous like manner. Okay, we can use the try catch for the exception handling. I have written file here for the write, read, append, and delete. Finally, I have a function in which I am doing all the sub operations, that is write the file, read the file. Okay, in first step we will write the file, and second step we are reading the file, and third step we are appending some data to the file, and fourth step again we are reading so that we can see the appended data, and finally we are deleting the file. Please try this one at your end. I am not trying this one. You can add the path parameter also. Okay, sorry, path module, and you can add the path here instead of giving them the string. Okay, this is about the file operations, guys. In a file operations, there are a lot of things in file operations. Show you. Okay, after that, put the dot and click the tab 2 times. You will get all the functions which are in the file systems. Okay, these are all the files. We have tried only file operations. You can do so many functionalities on your directories and other things also. If you have interested, you can export this one, but most of the time in a real time we will use the file operations, of course some directory operations. Okay, you can explore on this, guys. I cannot I cannot explain all those functions now. Okay, thank you for listening, guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.